Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off fingerprint animation sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. I lock my phone and try to unlock with my fingerprint. Okay. While unlocking, there is a small sound that is called fingerprint animation sound. Carefully listen. Yes, if you would like to turn off this fingerprint animation sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select more sounds, and here we will find a fingerprint animation sound. Just turn off this button so that you will not get any fingerprint animation sound hereafter. Okay, I lock my phone and try to unlock my phone. Listen carefully. Hereafter you will not get any sound. Yes, there is no sound after unlocking. Again I am checking. Yes, so in this way you can easily turn off fingerprint animation sound in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.